we're doing a test drive of the car we're getting.
Yeah. So this is our second like car video.
Yeah.
You know that.
And it's me also.
Whoa, the car just went down. And our dad came in. I like a little journey.
So now we are starting to move on the show.
Yeah, we're starting to test drive this car thingy. Whoa!
Like, it's your choice. What? Make a bad decision. What? What else?
You know the music we use?
Look. Look.
Nice, I guess. You know the music we use? It's Walk and Wander and A Little Trip and Journey and
We don't really.
Over the horizon.
We don't use a live though, but we know that.
yeah.
Live music. It's like the music. So like Journey goes like.
Yeah.
So we're just.
If you want to know the video editor we use, we'll put a link in the description so you can go check that out if you want.
Yeah.
And then
Or
you
if
should
you want
use
to,
it,
don't
and
have
it's a very good one because you can add an intro
Let's
and
look
outro.
outside.
And
Let's look outside.
And you can.
That's it.
And you can.
So we're starting to drive. Oh, I accidentally took a picture.
Well, we
when I
are
did
now.
the
Without it,
test-
are you sure you're allowed
I
to
can't
drive
hear the
without
music.
driver's license?
Huh?
Can you hear it? Well, you barely
It
can.
doesn't have driver's license on it.
Do
Yeah,
that.
but we're putting the music, like we're putting Walk on the music, so you can't really hear the music on this. Unless you stop the music, but we can't do that.
True that. That.
A little just like
Wait, which is the one that goes like yeah. Wait, how does Journey go like again? Oh yeah. Wait, what about Wander?
How about over the horizon?
Wait, that's the one we use
That's
for
a
our
Samsung
intro.
song.
Wait, Wander's the one we use for our intro, right?
No,
The
Happy
one-
Guitar.
That's
That's in another video editor. Don't you remember? We made it clearly says on our intro.
Then how does Wander go like?
Wander?
Yeah.
Wander. It's for Awesome Fun TV's intro.
So how does it go like?
I don't know how it goes. Like I just forgot. Okay, let's just focus on the
Dignity.
let's just focus on
Oh
the test
yeah,
drive.
dignity.
What? Let's just focus on the test drive for now.
Awesome. I could drive.
Yeah, we don't even have a license plate on this car. How are we supposed to
We're not
drive?
even wearing our seatbelts.
True, because it's so squishy back here.
Hey, are we driving to that salon thing? Cause like we need to go there.
It's been 3 minutes of nonsense on this video.
True that. All we've been really all we've been talking about is our video editor and Wander and Walk and Journey and Little Trip.
Well, it's boring in this car because
True
we
that.
can really. Well, we can show you the front. Show them the front.
True that.
I already did.
True that. True that. That was my sense.
And now we're on
that.
what sector, whatever drive.
What? Oh, what sector drive?
Also, 3025. Think we're going back to a normal place.
Technical difficulties. I love technical difficulties.
Technical
That's on the score.
difficulties. Whatever.
Daughter had some difficulties.
Difficulties.
Yeah,
Difficulties.
Oh, we're back at the store.
What? Wait, what?
Difficulties.
So is it raining? Because there's like raindrops. True that.
You kill teas. Difficulties. You kill teas. Like difficulties.
That doesn't make sense.
Like kill teas.
Yeah, I
It
get
makes
it.
sense.
I get it.
Honestly,
Look, that's a bad camera.
Yeah. That's the point.
True that. Hey, what happened?
Whoa.
Alright guys, just okay. We won't put in the beginning we said we're gonna
It's back.
yeah, whatever. And in the beginning we said we're gonna put the walk music, but we won't put any music in this video. Just saying so.
Why?
Because I don't want to put any more music in it. Well, you
Why?
can. No! No!
Nothing sounds like instant bingo.
Says the ad.
This red line, if you
Alright,
That's a
guys.
good end for
Okay, so we are done the test driving thing, so we're done now.